Welcome to the event page on the Electric Impulse website. Come and be a part of the Electric Impulse community. The reason we have events, we have virtual events that you can attend by telephone. We have events you can attend in person. We have events that last an hour. We have events that last all day. Come and be a part of our community. When people come to an event, and come back to the page often, we add different events throughout the year. When people come to an Electric Impulse event, they come for the people they will meet, the lessons they will learn from others, in addition to the great food and a program that I will put on. The people that you will meet, the community, virtually, or whether you come in person, will be something you'll want to add to your calendar. Although it's fun to come to an event and to hear me and to interact with me, I would be remiss if I did not point out the value that you will get from coming to an event and meeting other members in the Electric Impulse community. Peer-minded members, a professional football player, a judge, an attorney, a CPA, a Gen Y. I would be remiss to not tell you the value in meeting members of the Electric Impulse community.